Hello there. What's going on, guys? It's Jake here, and today we are back with another review. About a month ago, Speck sent me a free phone case. They sent it to me because they wanted me to review the Presidio Pro. You can tell me what that says. But no, sadly this isn't a sponsored video. They did not pay me to say anything about their case. They just want me to review it. The only thing they did was send it to me for free. Either way, that would never sway my opinion, but I did not pay a single dime for this phone case. So with that out of the way, let's just jump into it. In my opinion, there are three things that make a phone case great. 1, how protective is it? 2, how does the case feel? And 3, how does it look? Let's start with protection. According to Speck, it has been drop tested and has been rated for a 10-foot drop and will still protect your phone. Now, I'm not going to test it in case that isn't true, but I believe it because that would be false advertising since they put it right on the box. However, if Speck wanted to sponsor one of my videos, I'd be happy to drop test it for you. Otherwise, I'll just leave it up to you guys whether or not you want to believe it. Even though this case is fairly slim, it has 2 protective layers. The inner layer is a soft gel-like material that they made called the Impactium layer. The Impactium layer has scientifically engineered crash zones, which means it'll protect your phone in weaker areas such as the corners. And the second outer layer is a smooth, tough hard shell for added protection. And the last piece of protection is huge. It has raised edges, so this edge will go right over the top of your screen just a little bit, not so it's in the way, but it'll protect the phone's screen a lot better than other cases that don't have raised edges. Now let's talk about the feel. What I mean by this is how's it gonna feel in your hands, how's it gonna feel in your pockets, is it too bulky, etc. Like I said earlier, it's such a thin case for being so protective. Normally, I don't use cases because I like the feel of how thin my phone is in my hands. And I really hate when it fills up my pockets because bulky cases just do that. Thankfully, this case does not do that. It doesn't stick to the inside of my pockets, it doesn't fill my pockets, and it's not so big that I can't grip the phone well. You might be thinking, well, if that's true, why aren't you using the case with your phone right now? It's because I need to read the script and show this off at the same time. So it's a lot easier to read the script in this hand and hold this in this hand so I don't have to keep taking it off all the time. Also, I don't know what section to put this in, but it's super cool.
So I guess that's pretty cool. It's pretty cool.
It has an microbial, an antibacterial treatment. Basically, that means it won't be as germy, and that's always a win. And lastly, let's talk about the looks. This case in particular does not have any fancy prints on it. I believe you can for a little more money. However, I think this is such a clean looking case as it is. And truth be told, all of the different variants of this case look pretty clean. Now the question everybody wonders about any product review, is it worth the price? Right now, it's about 40 bucks. There's gonna be sales, there's gonna be coupon codes. I went to the website and put one in the cart, and I got it down to $24 with codes and sales. Also, they have free shipping in the US, and if you want it in 2 days, you only have to pay 5 more bucks. If you can find it on sale, I wouldn't hesitate to buy this. But let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. If you had $40 to spend on a phone case, would you buy it?
You bet your sweet bippy I did.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Also, a huge thank you to Speck for sending this case out to me. I'd love to work with you guys more in the future. If you guys did enjoy, please leave a like. If you are new around here, please subscribe and click the notification bell if you want to get a notification for every time I post a video. And with that being said, I will see you guys in the next one. Later, guys. Who's got 2 thumbs and doesn't have to go to jury duty this week? This guy.